Make a good life. Today was a lovely day. The journey, Randy and the Dragon. Look what we do. You know what's YouTube? Search for Jamaica Good Life. Our program. Alright. Wait, you're a farmer? So what do you plant?
Well, I was just going to plant everything, you know.
Yeah.
Plant everything. So I walk with him over.
Banana what? You don't have pear?
Here and coke nut.
So now international now, if you don't want a wife, let me know. You not married? So you not married? How old you is?
40 yard.
40 yard. You need a wife? Eh?
Well,
You have to say yes, man. What if you don't need a wife or you need a pig?
yeah, man, but that thing, apart there.
You have a girlfriend already? Oh, see that. Peer them big enough. So you sell at the market. So this is your original home.
Yeah, man, I'm on properties, man. Plant up.
This is all you.
Yes, man, but right back down.
Give me a name.
Mr. Parker.
Mr. Parker.
Put on my slippers and walk with it.
Yes, Mr. Parker.
You can't be like here, you know, sir.
It's here, wow.
Pumpkin and them things there. You want to have pumpkin?
Wow, sure, brother. So you plant, are you this?
Yeah, man, them have pumpkin in the garden.
Man, they're rich. I love Susumba. Mr. Parker, look at sir. Abundance. No dog. Yes, Mr. Parker, you're rich, man. You're wealthy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man, because let me tell you something right now. Most of the foreigners, they want to come back home. Some of the women, they want a strong man to help them. You know, them need farmers, our friends.
So when I mean farming, I mean me raise livestock and them things too.
Chicken,
No,
pig.
cow and goat.
Eh? That a good?
I mean them things there.
Yeah? For how long?
Well, we just go in a cow farm, go on a cow thing and put in a goat thing long time.
And the thing that grow here most is pumpkins.
Everything, anything we plant I say come.
Let me see the pumpkin where you give me as a gift.
Alright, that'll be alright. Otherwise we can cut it. Can cut it, yeah.
You can? Yeah, man.
I'm cut it.
See the brother, they look like warriors. Are two brothers?
No.
A virgin.
So we have to know about the wife. Can you want virgin want one little wife?
You want a little wife, brother?
Alright, I'll give half it.
Yes, brother. It's a pleasure. It's a gift to the world. People see how Jamaican people kind. We just see them on them, you know. But we don't have so much abundance of food. We don't really stress for food. Mr. Parker. Yes, the Almighty. Give thanks, pleasure. Jamaica Good Life. This is what we talk about. And so now, give thanks. What you want to say to the world for change the world? You're the president now of the whole planet. You see, you never know today was going to be your day to be president of the planet. And you, all your life you want to tell the world how to fix itself. Now you get a chance.
Well, everyone of it does, I say. If it does, just do what the Almighty say. First, you have to unite, right? And come together for this thing work. Because you see, the favoritism and the partiality is not going to work.
Okay.
So, when me born come grow up, you see, my grandmother, grandfather, when they don't, it's like, when they don't have certain thing this evening, them can go to them neighbor and them always share. You understand? But we grow on some other people and them, some things where them gonna give to somebody. We see it like garbage and them things there, so. So, and Christ always say, boy, you must give, you know?
Sure.
So it's easier to give to me more than receive. I mean, I say you must receive, you know, but I mean, when the Almighty bless you, He bless you for you share the blessing. You understand? So you have enough people who don't do that, don't exercise that. Even Christ, even then I said to the rich man, I don't remember how rich one in the verse, where that man was rich. So he go to Christ and ask him, where must do with the riches then? Because you have so much, so you go and share it to the poor. So.
May I go introduce you to my brother. Brother's in Florida. What month you born? March? What? October. My brother would like to reason with you. You have his energy. And you're going to like him. He's a good man. It's a good connection to have because you and him can speak all day about vibration. I'm not going to like somebody, pick up your energy and say, this man will love my brother. He's a humble man. So what through the hardship of life, what keeps you humble?
Well, first, you have to have faith to overcome the struggle and the temptation we are present before you, because it will come. So it's a hurdle where you have to go over daily, right? So you have to have faith and works behind faith, work and faith. So life is a challenge. So you have to have that. So you see, if you don't have faith, to me, you will say, get carried away. I don't say lose away then, but you know, you can get carried away, but God will help you back, and you acknowledge him, you come back to him and say, oh, what is me do? So it's like, you know, faith.
Faith is the foundation, because that's what makes you connected to the Almighty. This is like a invisible line, and if you break it, it's hard to reconnect it. So it's like the real connection to the Almighty, the unseen rope, and you just hold on to that and keep climbing it. This is Jamaica Good Life, and brethren, the man has given me a gift. I'm gonna have a gift for you. Let's go. Brother, which one of them? How old him is? Jason, come here, man. Me say you need a girlfriend from the world. Don't hide yourself now. Jason, come over here and talk to the ladies then. Come over here, don't shy. Tell the ladies about yourself. You're a farmer? What's your mission in life? Why should the ladies call you? What kind of man are you? Do you go to church? Are you a spiritual man? Are you humble? Jason, get at the ladies. Get married, have some children, and talk to the ladies. Who are you, Jason?
Well, I'm a humble person. Yes, I'm a farmer, mostly livestock farming. I would say I'm a spiritual person, because without God you're nothing. You have to be close to Christ with everything that's going on right now. And the world is a mess, and there's you can't turn to nobody else but Christ, because he's He alone you can call, and He alone can help you through whatever you're going through. So pretty much I'm just a humble, quiet, nice, loving individual.
Easy going, go to church with your Bible. So you guys want to grow up and become just constantly in harmony with the Almighty?
Yeah, you gotta do that. You have to do that.
Is that what keep you humble, just because you live by the word?
Well, not that alone, but you have to live by the word, and you have to live with bond with the hurt itself.
Bond, the farming and the word completes the thing. Wow. So you guys have the holistic, you have the full nature. That's why I said Jamaica Good Life. Bridget, my respect. Come for no gift. Come on now. So now, I'm going to keep it private, and when you leave them call, trust me, I get a farmer man and wife already, you know, brother. Come for your gift, brother.
Breadfruit.
So we don't have breadfruit?
Yes, man. Come back out and do that.
But them not fit, right? But you peer them big, brother.
Yeah, man.
So people can buy stuff from you, right?
Yes, man.
Give me a number.
Alright, this one is
Alright. Brother, we don't have an abundance, man. Are you? Wow. So when we need breadfruit, we just come check you.
Yeah, man.
I love on the vibe, man. Are you wait there? All the way down or stop yourself? Wait there. Feel tree this. You don't tell me say you climb it. None of them no fit.
We have fit one up in the
Top.
we can make
Reach.
soup.
Eh?
Yes.
One of them there, I will call them and pass through. I have Jason number and thing. So I use this. So this is it. Yeah, man. This is how I deal with it, you know, brother. I just come back. Not just come back. I've been here for 24 days. I did my quarantine and everything. And I'm back on the mission. My mission in life is to connect people with people. So that's how I do God's work. I travel, I meet the elders who might need help, and people abroad who might want to help him, to help him, you know? And people want to get reconnected to Jamaica, and they need good, trusting people. And I can feel them energy. And once I feel them energy, I say, these people are good. All right, for your gift, for giving me a gift, it's a fair exchange of love. So let's see what we got for you here in the gift bag. All right. Oh, I have to taste the whole of pasta. Hold this. Now hold this. Watch the top, all right? Just cook the pasta with some of this, all right? That's tomato paste, and boom. You see me? Taste something different from a different world. And them two sardines, them special. You see me? Just hold that as a gift, right? Jason, come here. It's up for you. Drink this differently, brother. Right. Taste something different. Right.
Yes, sir.
Love, man. All right? Sooner or later. Jason. That's enough. All right, respect. All right, love.
So